एक्सपेरिमेंट थिएटर को लेकर कुछ काम कर रही हैं। और हमारे दूसरे भाई जितांश से तो आप सभी परिचित हैं, हाल ही में इनकी फिल्म ने काफ़ी अवार्ड जीते हैं, ग्वालियर और चंबल की धरती के हैं, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, तो उनका भी स्वागत है। और हेमा मैम पूरा कोऑर्डिनेट कर रही हैं, उनका भी स्वागत है। तो अभी मैम के साथ एक थोड़ी सी मीटिंग थी जिसमें उनको एक्सपेरिमेंटल थिएटर को लेके कुछ विजन है, कुछ आइडियाज़ हैं, तो वो आपसे शेयर करेंगे। और आपके मन में कुछ सवाल हो तो मैम से एक बार डिस्कस कर लें, जिससे लेआउट क्लियर हो जाए कि हम बेसिकली मैम की क्या इच्छा है और हम लोग उस पर किस ढंग से खड़ा कर सकते हैं। तो मैम अब आप प्लीज।
Was not prepared for this. Thank you so much for the opportunity to come and talk with you. I hope we can maybe find a way to collaborate and work together. I'm doing a production here in November, and it's a very, let's say, a very large theatrical production. Maybe 25 characters. Around 20 people will be coming from different parts of the world. So we'll have all kinds of performers. And the idea is to create a piece where all these different characters are in dialogue with each other, sharing the stage at the same time. So in that sense, it's also quite non-traditional. There's not this entry-exit kind of a thing. It's also not dialogue-driven. It's very much about the body, the use of the body as the character, through costume, through movement, through stillness. So these are the kinds of things that I would be looking at. And so I have a few characters in mind for local people that I want to bring in so that we create dialogue between this place as Gwalior, as Madhya Pradesh, with the international performers. So that's the... And so also I'd like to collaborate in terms of even props and things like this. So we also have artists who will come in and do workshops, whether they're in fashion or performance. So we'll definitely try to organize something here as well with that.
Okay. You have any questions?
मतलब आप लोग समझ गए ना कि मैम क्या बोल रही है, मैम को क्या चाहिए। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं किसी भी रिगार्डिंग।
समझ आया क्या बोल रहे हैं?
नहीं, अगर कुछ नहीं आया तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। मेरी बात सोचने की ये नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। अगर कुछ भी नहीं आया तो फिर से समझा दें,
फिर से समझा
हिंदी में
एक बार आप एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए।
And also importantly, this is not a piece that will be something where you are rehearsing. It's something where it's very much about the moment. So it's very much about improvisation. It's about understanding what is happening around you, and you're reacting and working with that. So there may be moments when you feel like, okay, now is my moment and I need to do something. Or it may be you have to hang back a bit and the spotlight is on another location in the stage. So it's that kind of a performance. So it takes a lot of courage to do something like that because you have to think very fast. As opposed to, in learning something and finding a way to kind of repeat it in fresh ways, because that's essentially what conventional theater is. So with this, it's the opposite of that. It's almost just, it's like me now. I had no idea I'm going to come and talk with you. I thought I was having a meeting with him, but so it's like that, being able to be in the moment and make something come to life in that moment. So it's a concept driven, concept and character driven. So based on that, one can create little scenes out of that.
हमारे पाठ्यक्रम में पीटर ब्रूक, रिचर्ड शेटनर, अगस्टो गोल्ड और विशेष रूप से एंटोनार्डो मेयर थिएटर है, एक पर्टिकुलर आइडिया को लेकर डेवलप करना, उस ढंग से मैम का एक आइडिया है। मैं भी एक लिटिल बिट समझ रहा हूँ क्योंकि एक्सप्लोर में लेकिन कोई एक वैसा प्लान नहीं है जो स्क्रिप्ट हम लोग करते हैं कि स्क्रिप्ट लिया फिर उसकी रीडिंग ब्लॉक, वैसा नहीं है। ऐसा नहीं है, आइडिया को लेकर नोट करना है और उसमें इम्पल्सिव और जरूरी नहीं है कि लार्जर देन लाइफ को आप इतना बहुत एक्सजरेट करें, है ना। उसको लेके कुछ ऐसा चीज़ निकल के आए जो एक यूनिक और एक एक्सपेरिमेंटल जिसमें हो, जिसमें एक्टर और कभी साउंड से क्लिप होगा नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं, कभी
इंटरनेशनल म्यूजिक भी आ रहा है, ओपेरा हो रहा है,
ओपेरा,
फ्लेमिंगो डांस हो रहा है, और इसमें मतलब एक इंटरनेशनल बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट ऐसे समझिए कि यहाँ की लोगों को लेकर और इंटरनेशनल चीज़ों को लेकर कोलैब कर रहे हैं, जिसमें स्क्रिप्ट नहीं, टोटली इम्प्रोवाइजेशन और स्पॉन्टेनियस है,
स्पॉन्टेनियस
पूरा।
Not entirely, but yes, quite a bit.
हाँ, मतलब वही रहेगा। और एक मतलब एक्ट फिक्स रहेंगे, 3 एक्ट हैं, इसमें जो स्टार्ट और एंड फिक्स रहेगा, बाकी कैरेक्टर्स आपको पकड़ना है और आपको उस ड्रामे में इंटरेस्ट डालना है। वो जो इम्प्रोवाइजेशन हम लोग, तो वो एक इम्प्रोवाइजेशन का नेक्स्ट लेवल है, जिसको हम सीधे एक तरह से स्टेज पे कर रहे हैं काफी लोगों के सामने इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर। तो
उसका थीम डिजायर है।
हाँ,
No, we don't want to talk too
नहीं
much
अभी
about
वो
it.
थीम पर डिस्कस, मतलब ये एक ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंटल है और इस एक्सपेरिमेंटल थिएटर से जुड़ने के लिए हम चाहते हैं कि यहाँ के लोग जुड़े, और मैम को कुछ एक्टर्स और कुछ लोग चाहिए जिनके साथ बाहर से लोग आके वर्कशॉप्स लेंगे, हर चीज़ की वर्कशॉप, मतलब जो जैसे प्रॉप्स हुआ, फैशन हुआ, इसमें आप उसके उस प्रोजेक्ट
क्राफ्ट भी इंक्लूड है इसमें,
आप इसमें इंक्लूड होने के बाद उसमें और ज़्यादा काम कर सकते हैं। तो ये है, और मैम चाहती हैं कि आप उसमें जुड़े, और मैम कैसे आप जोड़ना चाहती हैं, हाउ डू यू वांट टू कनेक्ट दोस पीपल विद योर प्रोजेक्ट,
तो हम लोगों से क्या अपेक्षा है?
व्हाट यू नीड फ्रॉम दिस इंस्टीट्यूट।
Well, so for the moment, we'll continue our discussion, and but I definitely would be interested in people who'd like to work with me on all these possibilities, whether it's performance, whether it's props, whether it's staging.
We can take workshop here.
Okay.
Yeah, we can take a workshop here. Yeah, and I mean, I'm also looking at a lot of things in terms of sustainability and using recycled materials and things like this. So I want to focus as much as possible in any use of costume or props and things like this, that it's really coming from a recycled, primarily, or using materials that can be recycled easily, let's say. So that's what I have for now, but I'm definitely, for sure, I'm looking for one woman that, I mean, that I have very specifically that I know. So for the moment, that's what I'm.
तो या तो हम ये ऐसा प्लान कर सकते हैं।
I'll just give a little bit background on myself so that they have, because I feel like I'm just. So I'm an artist, born in India, but I've spent a lot of my life in the US. I came back to India to make a film 17 years ago, and that was a film which took me in a lot of different areas on the northwest area of India. And then after that, I made a film with, I'm sure you know, Om Puri. So I made a film with him, which is, again, an experimental art piece, so it's not something that was shown in the theaters. It went to museums and places like that around the world. It was one of his last films, unfortunately, because he was truly brilliant to work with, a master. He epitomized the idea of being in the moment. In fact, he would never even read a script. And that was something I learned in the process of working with him, that he would want you to tell him what is happening in the scene. You tell him the scene, as soon as he got it, like, he'd let you know he got it. And there was never a need to take a second take, right? He was so extremely precise with where he needed to be in that moment. It's very rare to work with somebody who's right there.
Yes.
And in fact, because he got the tone the most important thing is to understand the tone, right? What kind of scene am I in? What is the feeling? And that's where he would come from. And so to give you an example, there was another actor, he was in a scene with another actor who happened to be a friend of mine. And we were filming in Bombay in a cinema hall. And the scene was, a lot of it, I was coming up, in the moment I was coming up with stuff. But I didn't want to say too much to them because I didn't want them to think that I didn't know what I was planning to do, right? But things were just, images and things were coming to me, so I just decided, okay, I want to do this. So the one actor, I did not know this until afterwards. He told me afterwards that he didn't understand what the scene was. And in one break, he said to Mr. Puri, I don't understand what's going on. And Mr. Puri's response to him was, just go with it. And that's what I mean, is that he was so open and so focused. Right? So it's that kind of space that I think is where one wants to be, in any kind of creative space. So that's when I really understood also for him as an actor how generous he was, right, with other people. And he was a totally non-judgmental in his profession. Anyway, it was a really a gift to work with somebody like that. Because all actors have their own ways of getting into the scene or getting into a character. Some of them, like all the different actors I worked with, Lilette Dubé, I know you know who she is, so she was one of my main characters. And so everybody has their own process. And some need a lot more information, and someone like him needs as little as possible. And someone, that's motivation. Why is my character doing this? Some are just like, this is the scene, this is my character, and, that gives them enough motivation. So everybody has to find, you have to find your way, what is your entry point, but to be as open as possible, and of course to be as present and focused as possible through your process. And that becomes challenging for someone like me as a director, because you have to respond in so many different ways to help bring that performance, to bring that authenticity to the moment, because that's, for me as an artist, the most important thing is that authenticity. The other thing about this piece is it's of course happening for the first time, and it'll never be repeated. So it's really a moment.
वर्कशॉप प्लान कर सकते हैं, 22 को इनका प्रोडक्शन उसके बाद
It would be also helpful if you tell me what would be interesting, because if you tell me what would be an interesting workshop, then I can go back to some of these people and say, we could do this here, right?
जो भी इंटरनेशनली आ रहा है ना, उनसे हम बात कर लेंगे। आप बताइए, मतलब इस तरह का वर्कशॉप इतना कि हम उनको
तभी ठीक रहेगा। एक्चुअली सारे बच्चे मेरे हिसाब से एक बार वो कर लें, उसके बाद जो लगे कि हाँ इम्पोर्ट है वो सिलेक्ट कर लें। वर्कशॉप सभी के साथ होगा,
वर्कशॉप सभी
के साथ और सिलेक्ट हो जाए।
नहीं मतलब मैं भी कह रही हूँ
या तो हम वर्कशॉप पैलेस में भी कर सकते हैं, और पैलेस में वर्कशॉप हो, यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स भी आए, एक बार
यहाँ पे भी कंफर्टेबल है, यहाँ बल्कि हम सारी सुविधाएं मतलब तो भी बहुत भी है, बच्चे सारे आते हैं, रेगुलर क्लासेस होती है, तो हम ये परमिशन ले लेते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम ना, और वहाँ पर है तो वहाँ पर भी after
22 of this month.
If you are comfortable comfortable for workshop in the department.
I don't know that I'm not sure if I'm here.
After, in the month of November, when the event will be there, that point of time, workshop is also going there, event is also going there. It is not about
Okay,
ऐसे
okay,
हम
okay,
करें।
right.
एक्चुअली ये जो जो
वो
जो
इवेंट के
इवेंट
concept
Right,
है।
right.
जो इवेंट है वो है नवंबर में।
ठीक है।
मैम अभी जा रही है। अभी आप
अभी जो
I'm here for 3
connect with
months.
the right
ये
people, right place.
3 दिन के लिए आए हैं, सब लोगों से मिलने, यहाँ पर वो माहौल बन रहा है यानी वो
मेरे हिसाब से तो जयप्रकाश
जयप्रकाश मीटिंग वीडियो।
अभी एक बार we will discuss.
And work it into some way that they can get some kind of credit.
But even
For working in an international.
even those guys are like more into having
Sir, workshop and performance
they will have more experience.
Sir, workshop and
And which
performance.
language?
English language.
इंग्लिश
Performance will be in
हम
English.
ट्रांसलेटर हैं तो
No, main performance will be in English only.
No,
नो
there is no dialogue.
There is no dialogue. It's a totally
नॉन
dialogue.
वर्बल थिएटर एक्सपेरिमेंटल नॉन वर्बल थिएटर
उस पूरे
साउंड म्यूजिक
पूरे फिल्म में कोई डायलॉग नहीं है और ये सिर्फ एक इम्प्रोवाइजेशन है।
विदाउट बीच से चैट चल बेटा चल ऐसा तुम बड़ा चार जल्दी आ रहा बेटा जल्दी आ रहा प्रोडक्शन हो गई तो कुछ तैयार हो जाएगा उसको हम करते परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं
एक्चुअली ये मैम कह रहे हैं कि इनको जो वर्कशॉप के लिए इतने लोग चाहिए वो जो इवेंट के लिए जो चाहिए वो वर्कशॉप का से निकालते हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल
Oh, sure, sure.
Yes.
With these students or which year? Which year are they?
कौन सी साल के लिए?
कौन सा
Year कौन सा है?
नहीं बिहार
परमानेंट बीए
This is theater group.
they are doing masters bachelors and certificate and diploma course in theatre
mixed of.
that's why फिर आप
So in November, basically,
they all are away
अभी मैं कहने की अभी ये जाएंगी अभी 3 दिन के लिए हैं
ठीक है
उसके बाद जब लंबे समय के लिए आएंगी तब वर्कशॉप
अभी भी अगर 2 दिन काम करना हो तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं
and if you have time for like 2 days if you want to work with these guys
I'd love to come back.
okay
Yeah. Sure. I mean, I'd love to see anything. So, and definitely, like, see if there's something we can, somebody we can identify. Right? That'd be nice.
even for your production and back for the backstage also these are the like
No, exactly. I mean, I want them to have, you know, whatever experience is possible in this. I mean, to give you an example, when people go to film school, everybody wants to be a director.
yeah
But when you get into film school, what happens is they make you have, generally, they make you have experience in many things. Today you're going to be doing the
Yes.
camera. Tomorrow you're going to be managing the script. Maybe you're going to be helping with the costume. Eventually, maybe you also direct. Maybe you edit.
I was actor initially
So basically, that's what happens is through that process, you realize, actually, I don't want to be a director. I want to design costumes. So it's an interesting process because you come in with this idea that you know, the thing to do is you have this vision and you want to be the director, right? But actually, all the components are important, equally important. Somebody has to have the overall vision, but all the components are important, and everything has its possibilities, right, for creativity. So actually, everything is, you know, there's nothing that is lesser than. It's what you are interested in, what you become compelled by. That's what you should be pursuing. So now, if you're learning about acting and performing, and also learning about maybe a little bit of lighting and a little bit of production and creating props, it may be that eventually you actually move in that direction. direction as opposed to being an actor. And so you should go with what you feel most drawn to, what you're most interested in, because that's going to give you your best chance of authenticity and doing really well at what you're going to do, because you're already excited about it. And that's important, to have that kind of enthusiasm and excitement about what you're doing. So just because you're training as an actor now doesn't mean that you'll become an actor. Maybe you become a light person. So, and there's nothing wrong with that. You should do what you feel passionate about, because everything leads to something. So it may be that, like I was going to say a little bit about myself. I'm an artist. I started with painting and photography when I was like this size. And I never thought I would be working in film or directing people, because I was very shy. So I never thought I would be standing in front of people and telling anybody anything. But I reached a point where I was so, like, I have to make a film, that I pushed myself out of my normal, let's say, personality. And since then I've been making films, and of course I continue the photography.
And there are certain things are happening. And audience choose to put the light on particular thing they want to do.
Wow.
There are two backgrounds that can together.
That's very cool. That's very cool. Caged relationship. So the cage comes from the musician John Cage, who was one of the pioneers of experimenting with sound. So for me, in Jaisalmer, I was working with the idea of sound as art, sound as experience. So I referenced his name in the theater pieces. So a caged relationship and Napoleon's caged descent. The project, what I do is called Panorama Editions, and I call it an international art salon because basically it's a gathering. Every single time it's unique. The locations change, the idea changes, the concept changes, how it, what the actual project is tailored exactly to the place. I work with a lot of different embassies and arts organizations, so that's where I'm bringing in all these international performers. And these are people who are very much at the top of their field. So it's a very high level of performance.
मैंने कंट्रास्ट बनाती है कि एक बिल्कुल ही अलग से किसी को बोल दिया कि तुम काम करो ड्रामे में, वो काम करते हैं, और एकदम से इंटरनेशनली जो बहुत एस्टैब्लिश है उनको लेकर एक मसाला तैयार करते हैं। हबीब साहब करते थे।
हबीब साहब
theater legend Habib Tanvir. He used the sound experiments and make different. They send this to jungle and take up experiments and make sound of that. Music out of it.
Nice.
No, well later.
We make sound of music instruments out of it. So very experimental.
Nice.
हम लोग ने किया था ना, तुम लोग नहीं देख पाते। जो मैकबेथ प्ले किया था गड्ढे में, टंकी खुद रही ना, गड्ढे में पूरा वाइड ये बनी दिया था, टॉर्च, ऑडियंस को टॉर्च दी थी, मासी टॉर्च, चारों तरफ ऑडियंस परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, जिसको जहाँ देख रहा है वो वहाँ देखता है।
I know, it's fantastic. Yeah. It's great. I mean, that's why I say that theater has
शायद इसमें इमेज
possibilities, right? It's
प्लीज कम बैक। ये नीचे वाला काम जितना मुश्किल है
ground.
हिम्मत है
This is the ground on the base floor.
and this room
They made
four side audience
the audience is four side made a road and proper
Yes.
side.
the play name is Justice 0 kilometer
I'm gonna have to find a way.
And this place, different spaces in the university campus. We are doing little half an hour play, short plays, look like a Richard Schechner theater. Audience, one space, audience in one space, one performance is done. Then after that we move and second space, second play is done. After that third play, and this is the process. Second set, look like an experiment. Step.
Yeah.
Please arrange.
And but this, like this piece is, which play is this?
Justice Zero.
Just 0 kilometers.
Justice
Just zero.
But is it something he wrote or is it?
No, this is the based on, this play is based on, when I remember, I tell you.
But you directed this piece?
Yes,
And who did the stage design?
all the students, all the
Like
students.
somebody had to tell them what to do.
Yeah.
What is the stage?
डायरेक्ट कौन कर रहा था इसको स्टेज से सर ये
This is the making process.
दिस इज द मेकिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ दैट
This play, set design. You see at all the programs.
ये विवेक है कि नहीं ये विवेक है
हाँ।
असिस्ट कर रहा है
ये उठा, ये यूनिवर्सिटी ये अलग पोस्ट का माल था, अलग गड्ढे वाला भी होगा.
So they can share with like martial arts, from like designing, writing to everything. And he knows it.
It's the
He
body
knows everything.
movement, right? It's the body movement.
So you must spend all the process of particular.
एक मैं तुमको बताता हूँ कि शुरू करते हैं.
When you would all the rehearsals,
This time we have to go. Yes. Who like it?
it is not actually new for these guys. They are doing like very
Basically, we are working from Sanskrit theatre and folk theatre. After that, we will also demonstrate but that we just don't art or research theatre. This type of experimental theatre we have also done in SeaWorks. So we have also done the Tanki Space experiment and the Angan experiment. Recently, I have done Bundelkhand Withdraw.
It is about the Bundelkhand revolution. It happened like in
1842.
1842.
हाँ, उसी को पूरा हमने ये नीचे वाले आंगन स्पेस में देखा और अद्भुत. हाँ, और केरला, चंडीगढ़, पंजाब हर जगह हमने शो किया. अभी रिसेंटली ये प्रोडक्शन भोपाल में है. ये महावीर चरितम बेस्ड ऑन संस्कृत प्ले महावीर चरितम रिटन बाय महाकवि भवभूति. एंड द स्टूडेंट्स will also perform in Sanskrit language also and Hindi, Bundeli.
So I would like to see.
Bundeli swan दिखा दीजिए आपको वीडियो में.
There's a form called Swan. It is like originated from the Bundelkhand, and he is the only person in the world who does the swan feather in the world. So he is the only person.
मतलब बुंदेलखंड के पास तो it's like my topic.
तो मैं पढ़ा नहीं होते
कि आपके रीजन मालाधर इज बुंदेला.
ओके.
परमार.
आप वो प्ले देखिएगा, अद्भुत प्ले पूरा उसमें राजा मधुकर शाह, विक्रमजीत सिंह, हृदय शाह, ढल्लन शाह, ढिलवर सबको उसमें कवर किया. रिहर्सल शुरू कर दो। रिहर्सल चलो राइट
अनिकेत
जैसो बुंदेलखंड महान दूजो देश जगत में जैसो बुंदेलखंड महान दूजो देश जगत में दूजो देश जगत में नैया 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 जैसो 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 बुंदेलखंड महान दूजो देश जगत में नैया जैसो बुंदेलखंड महान दूजो देश जगत में राम कृष्ण की धर्म धरा पे सदा धर्म है भाई राम कृष्ण की धर्म धरा पे सदा धर्म है भाई जय जवान और जय किसान सब जय विज्ञान उजारे जी से दुनिया में पहचान दूजो देश जगत में नैया जैसो बुंदेलखंड महान दूजो देश जगत में नैया पहचान को दिल जहाँ के महाराजा बनकर देव यहाँ के महाराजा बनकर कड़ी लड़ाई अगले जन से महारानी लक्ष्मीबाई वे तो बजरंग सी बलवान दूजो देश जगत में नैया जैसो बुंदेलखंड महान दूजो देश जगत में नैया जैसो बुंदेलखंड महान दूजो देश जगत में दूजो देश जगत में
Wow.
They all are very
Can
talented.
you tell me a little bit about what the song is?
This is pardon?
What's the song?
The song represent it is about like Bundelkhand. They like praising Bundelkhand. And Bundelkhand is great, and then Bundelkhand is like
Basically,
how
three, go! लाल बड़ी पलक की आगे चलो थैंक यू बच्चों Then we have one color. After that, how to design the play, how to design the slide. Yes. These are the Bollywood.